Hi guys, it's your girl Jessie Q here. Now I know I'm looking a little crusty today. I promise the entire video isn't going to be me looking this crusty. However, it is currently Saturday the 14th of December. And that means that it is 6 days till we move back to Trinidad. Yes guys, it is finally freaking happening. I am so very excited. I'm so excited. I can't even begin to explain to you all how excited I am. However, in all of that excitement, that means we are now preparing again for a very big move from one country to the next. Obviously, we've done that already when we were moving to Dominica, but now we're moving back to Trinidad, and there are some logistical things that we have to work out. So I decided to do this because I wasn't able to do it the last time, just to show you guys what a move of country really looks like. Some of the things you need to put in place, some of the things you need to do. I'm gonna take you guys along with me as I pack and get ready to move. And yeah, so that is what's up right now. So I just want to talk about one thing real quick. In addition to us moving from country to country, we are also going to be moving into our new apartment in Trinidad as husband and wife. So obviously we've had an apartment in Dominica. This is now going to be our Trinidad apartment. It's an apartment that I love very much, and apartment content will come soon when we move, I promise. There's a lot of things that I want to do, and I want to bring you guys along for it. So I will do an empty apartment tour and take you guys along as we furnish it and decorate it, and then I'll do a finished apartment tour and all of that. So one of the things we had to do first and foremost was find an apartment. Thankfully for us, it worked out that the apartment that we were going to get when we were supposed to get married in November was an apartment that we had seen since April, and we had already organized everything, and it just so happened that we had to move. Well, that apartment was still available and the person still wanted us to be there, so we got that apartment. We signed and paid for that last night, so that is organized. So that was one thing, and thankfully for us it worked out easily. It could be a little difficult if you don't have it like we do, or if you don't have people in Trinidad or in whichever country that you're going to that would be able to go and find apartments for you and view it for you and all of that. So that is one thing. Organize a place to live, right? We also have a few things to get for the apartment. Actually, we have a lot of shopping to do. We have to get a bed and a new stove and all of that. We have a lot of shopping to do. So I'll see if I can bring you guys along. I'm not making any promises because it's a lot, and it's also Christmas time, so everything is going to be really, really hectic. I don't know what that's going to be like, and I don't want to set up myself for failure. So I'll see. Anyway, so that's two things. So back to Dominica. I have to pack up all of our stuff that we would have brought. Now, in addition to that, there's some stuff that we bought in Dominica that we would like to take back with us. It's not a lot, unfortunately. We still can't take everything that we bought because we just can't ship all those things, at least not cheaply. And some of them are bulkier items that, you know, are kind of too big, so we decided to go with FedEx for shipping. It seemed to be the best option for what they have available in Dominica. So a FedEx box is a 20 by 20 by 12 box, so as I said, not a lot at all, but we're gonna make do. I know for sure we're gonna take back our curtains that we bought. I am not a curtain person, and I don't have much curtains, so I'm not going to leave the little bit of curtains that I buy. Yeah. So our curtains and just a few things that were in our suitcase that will make it a bit heavier, we're gonna just keep it in that box and ship it to Trinidad. So that is one thing I wanted to you know, just give you all an idea of. You can, if you have the ability to and if you have the funds to, just find a way to ship stuff to the country that you're going to. Alright, that is enough talking. I am currently washing clothes. This is gonna be my last time washing clothes in Dominica. Yay. But now I am going to start packing. Hi guys, so today's Wednesday and I know this is a bit chopped up, but bear with me. So the last day that I spoke to y'all, I told y'all that I was going to start packing, and I just gave y'all like a kind of a rundown of, you know, some of the important things, some of the things to do or whatever. So let me give y'all an update. So the plan then was to send the rest of our stuff, like household stuff via FedEx, right? So that was the plan. And then on Sunday, something told me to check Liat's website to see what their policy is regarding size and weight of bags. So I did, and I realized that we can do one of two things. We can just stuff our bag to its absolute capacity and pay the overweight fee, or we can also just bring another bag and pay the extra bag fee. And then we calculated it, we compared the pricing of that and the amount of things we would be able to fit in that compared to the pricing of FedEx and the amount of things we would be able to fit in the FedEx box. So the FedEx box was a 20 by 20 by 12 box. A suitcase is 80 by 130 or something. So needless to say, it's bigger, right? And then it worked out to be that it would actually be cheaper to do the suitcase as opposed to the FedEx box. So long story short, we got an extra suitcase. So this is it right here, guys. The house is not clean, I'm just telling you that now. I just finished packing this suitcase, so I'm now about to start cleaning. Bear with it. But anyway, this is the suitcase here. This is the new one that we bought. We bought it today and we got it at a Chinese store in Dominica. It was the cheapest we could get. I think we paid like $130 EC for it. So we'll make do with it. A lot of the other places had their suitcases for $250 to $350. Nope. Anyway, so that is the extra suitcase. So now I'm just going to show you guys what we are working with regarding everything else. So this is my carry-on, and excuse this is just my dirty clothes from this week because I'm not washing before I leave Dominica. The next time I wash, it would be in Trinidad. So this is my carry-on. This is my little old suitcase that I love. And then this is my big suitcase. So this and that is about the same size. I think this is just a little taller, but this is my big suitcase that I came up with. And these are all of our plugs and extension cords and all of that we came up with. And then this is Kai's suitcase. So this and the big one came as a set. We bought that when we were getting married to come up with. So he has the two smaller ones, I have the bigger one, right? So this is his and this is his carry-on. And then he has his backpack that's going to hold his laptops and stuff. And this is the one that we bought, as I said. Now this is full to absolute capacity. Ironically, all of the other suitcases, the expander is closed. This one is open. This has all of our sheets, towels, and the curtains that we bought, and shoes, and some other things. So when Kai comes home, we're going to have to reevaluate this and see what we're going to leave and what we're going to keep, because I have a feeling that this is going to be overweight. But as for now, I think Kai's bags are definitely going to be proper weight. So some of the things that I had planned on taking, I actually had to put back. Like I planned on taking all of our Tupperware, all of our bowl sets that we bought, but that could absolutely not fit. And yeah, just some other random stuff we had to leave. And as I said, when he comes home, we'll have to see if we can still keep it or if we're gonna have to throw it away. I don't know yet. But I just wanted to give you guys that update. So right now we are pretty much fully packed. Obviously Kai is still in work. I have actually just been bathing and maybe same thing all week. Whatever, that's gross. Anywho, I am going to start cleaning the apartment today and just getting it back to, you know, a rentable state. To be honest, there hasn't been any big changes or anything since we've been here. We haven't damaged anything, so that's great. So it's not really that much for me to do, but I want to get it clean so that tomorrow I can just have a pretty relaxing day. And then my flight is on Friday morning. So I'm gonna clean the apartment. I'm chilling. I'm gonna put on some parang, and you know how it is. And then the next time you see me would probably be on my way home to Trinidad, leaving Dominica for the last night. Hi guys, so it is currently Thursday afternoon. It's a bit after 6 and I just wanted to touch in. Today was a good day, a bit hectic but a good day nonetheless. I cleaned the entire apartment. You know, we want to leave it in the state that we found it, so I just cleaned the entire apartment from top to bottom. Now it's spick and span, and I packed away some other stuff that, you know, we were probably just using or whatever. I threw out what we had to throw out. Now I'm just packing like our electronics that I would have used today, and we're just gonna chill. My flight is for 7 o'clock in the morning, so guys, I'm really excited. I can't even front, I can't even lie. I am super duper excited. So I just wanted to say hi, and the next time you see me it will be Friday and it will be time for us to head back home. So it is 4 o'clock on Friday morning and we are packing the bags into the car, and today is the day. Today is the day that I finally get to go home. I am so ow, rude. I'm so excited, I'm so happy, I can't wait. It's gonna be a long day of traveling, 8 hours of traveling just to reach from Dominica to Trinidad. I have a lot of layovers, but I'm still excited. It's gonna be great. So as I said, we're just packing up the bags. Our apartment is empty, it's clean, we are handing it off in great condition, and yeah, so I'll see you guys soon. Hi guys, so I am in Barbados right now. I hope you all are hearing me. I'm in Barbados right now in the airport, and I got here at about 8:45 and I have a layover here until 12:40, so needless to say, a long time. So I was at gate 9 and I'm kind of thirsty, not really hungry but thirsty. So I decided that I'm going to take a walk and explore a bit slash get something to drink. I really want a coffee, so I'm going to see if I get that. Now this is my first time walking through this airport, so we're just kind of gonna explore and see, you know, whatever sights it has and what there is to see and all of that, right? So no promise land. Sorry if it's loud by the way, but it's an open airport. I can't do anything for that. So yeah, let's walk and see what we can find. Alright guys, so I went to the duty-free section and I just walked around, checked out what they had. My hands were full, so I couldn't videotape it, but they had some good stuff and I actually picked up some things from Bijou Tuna. Now I'm not going to show you because I plan on giving them as gifts, and I don't want the people who these gifts are going to see them. But yeah, this was my first time walking around the airport because usually I just stay at the gate. But it was pretty cool. Some nice stores and everything. It wasn't what I thought from the gate that I'm usually at, but the airport would look like. It's much better. Anyway, so I'm just waiting my long ass layover until it's time to board to head to Trinidad. Hi guys! So it is Saturday morning and I'm at my new apartment, and it is wonderful, it is great, it is marvelous. We are moving in, so we just went to my old apartment to get all my stuff, the 2 trucks of stuff. I have a lot of stuff, but I just wanted to do really quickly for you to close off this vlog an empty apartment. So they're literally moving in now, so I have to do it really quick, and it's not totally empty because some of my stuff is already in here, but still, let's go. Right, so this is my official empty apartment tour of my first married home in Trinidad with my husband Harry. By the way, wait for it, that's 1 truck and the next one coming in. All right, cool. So this is my apartment. We walk in. This is the living room area. As you can see, it is a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom townhouse. These are the stairs that go to upstairs. So this is my big living room area. Pretty good for all the stuff we have. As I said, all our stuff that we came across with and some other things. So this is my kitchen. It's kind of small, but it's good enough for what we have in mind. We're trying to figure out what to do with this space here, but you know, that's how it goes. This is the laundry. So the laundry area. This is the half bath here, and that's the door to outside. So let's go upstairs. I'll come in now. I'm gonna do this quick. So as I said, we have 2 bathrooms upstairs, 2 bedrooms upstairs and 1 bathroom. So this is the guest bedroom, or what is going to be our office / closet. Now we're still trying to figure out how to make it work exactly, so no promises there. And then this will be our master bedroom. So yeah, that's what it looks like. My vanity is going to go here because there's no way that all of our clothes can fit here. So yes, so guys, this is my empty apartment tour. I am orange. Let's go to some good lighting. Yeah, I'm really excited for it. I'm a bit overwhelmed, I'm not gonna lie, but yeah. So obviously, sorry for the echo, the place is empty, I can't do anything about that. Obviously, we will have a lot of content coming. We are going shopping after we finish moving today, so I'm going to try and bring you guys along with that. It's a lot for us to do, so no promises, but definitely when we are setting up this space, I'm definitely going to, you know, show you that and do the makeovers of the different rooms. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I'm really happy to be back in Trinidad. I can't express how grateful I am to be back. I really missed Trinidad, we both did, and we really are happy to be back. So thank you guys for watching, and until the next time, namaste babies. Bye.